Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to turn off Google Assistant on Samsung Galaxy A05 device. Okay, let's get to the tutorial. If you want to disable Google Assistant on your device, and then you can long press Home button and say turn off Google Assistant. For the important thing you should know is your device is already connected to internet or Wi-Fi. Turn off Google Assistant. Okay, and then here you can select this option. After that, you can turn off this button. Okay, and then the Google Assistant on your device is successfully turned off. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to turn off Google Assistant on Samsung Galaxy A05 device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.